वी आर ऑन कैमरा ओके और हमारे बीच आज जो है अरबाज हैं, युवराज हैं, सराफत हैं, शकील हैं और भी बहुत तमाम स्टूडेंट्स हैं। फ्राइडे की वजह से सब लोग मार्केट करने गए हैं। आज इनसे इंग्लिश में कुछ डिस्कशन करते हैं, बट आई हैव नॉट गिवन एनी टॉपिक। ऐसे मैं डायरेक्टली मैं उनसे कुछ क्वेश्चन करता हूँ। अरबाज, व्हाट डू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई वी शुड लर्न इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज एंड व्हाट आर द एडवांटेज ऑफ लर्निंग इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज and what will you say to the students how they can speak very good English?
Sir, according to my thinking, English language is very important in our life because we can learn many things by English language, and it is very compulsory in our professional life. We can't do
Anything.
Yes sir, we can do anything and we can go abroad. If we have no any knowledge of English language, so we can't communicate with other peoples.
And how the students can learn English language? How they can learn English language?
Sir, if they have burning desires, when they should they should take admission in any coaching center, speaking center, spoken center especially, and they should practice more than more because practice makes a man perfect. And
do you have any quote on practice?
Yes sir, I have one quote on practice. Bruce Lee said, "I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times."
So how will you motivate these students? Because you know there are 31 students in my batch,
yes,
and only 8 to 10 students are able to speak very standard English. So how will you motivate? How will you encourage to those students who want to develop the personality of speaking language? And what will you say where they can practice and when they can speak very good English?
Sir, if they have burning desire, if they want to speak English, then they should have practice. And what things have you taught? They should write and learn and revise. And if they want to speak English, they should speak not correct, but they should speak wrong in starting.
Okay, very good. For learning English language, we should have some basic knowledge of grammar.
Yes sir, we have basic knowledge of grammar because we are not native English speaker.
Okay.
We can't speak without grammar.
Okay.
Yes sir.
So what will you say about my coaching center if the students are very interested and they want to join my English language classes? And what will you say to those students who are really very much interested? Okay. So what will you say about my coaching center? Would you say something about my?
Yes sir,
okay,
your coaching center is very good, and it is there is very fantastic environment to speak English, and students have time.
Okay.
And if they want to speak English, they can join your coaching center and they can speak.
Okay.
By joining your class.
Very good. I am very much satisfied because I have not trained anything. Earlier, you were studying in class 8 at Ikra Intermediate College.
Yes.
What was your performance when you did not join my English language classes? तो आपके उस टाइम कंडीशन क्या थी कि आप अंग्रेजी कितना बढ़िया बोलते थे?
Sir, before joining this class, I can't speak a sentence perfectly.
Okay.
But after joining your class, I can speak English.
So I saw that you are very confident student. And what is your strength?
Sir, my main strength is my mind.
Okay. So you are very I think very brilliant student in your class.
Yes.
Okay. My last question to you, Arbaz, कि इंग्लिश ही हमारा ड्रीम नहीं है, इंग्लिश सीखना हमारा ड्रीम नहीं है,
Yes.
बट ये कामयाबी का एक रास्ता है जिसे हमें सीख लेना चाहिए। और आपको क्या लगता है अगर इंग्लिश सीख लेते हैं तो आपकी पर्सनालिटी, आपकी शख्सियत में निखार आ जाती है या नहीं हो जाती है, या आपको मतलब ग्लोबल लेवल पे अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको मिल जाती है, आपको जॉब करने का वैकेंसी आपको मिल जाती है, पर्सनालिटी बढ़ जाती है, तो क्या आप कहेंगे कि वह ऐसा सही है या गलत है?
English also builds your confidence, your personality, and you can get high level jobs in foreign countries by English speaking. If you have no any knowledge of English and you have a good command of your work, then also you can't get a good job. And it is very good language, and you can communicate the people of world by speaking English.
देखिए, वी आर इंडियन राइट, एंड आवर नॉन नेटिव लैंग्वेज इज हिंदी, तो आफ्टर लर्निंग इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज वी शुड फॉरगेट आवर नेटिव?
No, sir.
वेरी गुड. व्हाई वी शुड नॉट फॉरगेट आवर नेटिव?
Sir, it is our native language. If we forget our native language, we will forget our friends, parents.
Definitely,
all.
definitely.
And we can't communicate with them. So we should never forget our native language. And we can't learn any language if we don't know our native language.
आखिरी में आपको कहना रहे, बच्चों को अट्रैक्ट करना रहे मेरे कोचिंग सेंटर में, तो आप अपने अंदाज से क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
Sir, if students have desire to speak English, so you can join this class and you will get a fantastic environment and you will be able to speaking English.
वेरी गुड, थैंक यू अरबाज. और आपसे बात करके मुझे बहुत खुशी हुआ. आपको मैंने कोई भी चीज रट्टा नहीं रटाया था, ना ही मैंने टॉपिक दिया था, ना ही मैंने प्रिपरेशन करवाया था, क्योंकि आज फ्राइडे है, बच्चे कम आए थे, तो हम लोग को अच्छा लगा कि आज थोड़ा सा बात करते हैं. तो ठीक है, आज का दिन हम लोग का बेहतर, आप लोग भी बाजार भी जा सकते हैं. ठीक.